What is going on YouTube? It's here by Alexandrus, guys, your biggest icon in this space, back again with another banger, guys. Today we are on GoldsTrade, but before we start the video, as always, I need to let you know that I'm not a financial advisor. You should always do your own research and you should always do your own due diligence, because I don't take any responsibility for your actions. And also, guys, never ever invest the money that you can't afford to lose, okay? That's what I always say in my videos, and that's nice little disclaimer right here, guys. But without further ado, today we are on GoldsTrade. This is day one, guys, okay? It can't be earlier than that. After the last video, a lot of you were bombarding me literally in the comments and DMs to find you some new platforms. So yes, today we have this platform, guys. 6% daily, as you see in the title, and you know your boy had to send it here. 5k, just like that. I'll also walk you through how to depot here, because it is quite simple, but well, they accept 10 different cryptos, but the withdrawals are on BEP20 USDT only, okay? So that's worth mentioning, but basically that's how they work here. We'll go over the website, over the white paper and some other things, because, well, guys, this is day one. As I said, this is first day of this operating, and you know, I found it by an accident and I'm happy that I found it. So yeah, let's get right into it. So, trading on global markets with GoldsTrade. GoldsTrade comprises of a team of seasoned professionals who have spent decades investing in various asset classes that bring in multi-million-dollar profits, such as cryptocurrencies, precious metals, petroleum products, and forex. And essentially what they have here on the website is things that they technically do invest for, what they're doing: see, crypto, oil, gas, gold, and silver. We don't care about this that much, because at the end of the day we care about the daily profits here, so I'll show you the account in just a second. We have a timeline here, something like a roadmap, I would say. So 23 we have launching online platform, 24 launching GoldsTrade mobile app, so they want a mobile app as well, and serving nearly half the world households with a broad range of financial services by 26. Pretty ambitious, but you guys know that I like ambitious projects, obviously. 22 startup and the first major success at the cryptocurrency market, attracting new specialists in IT industry. 21 launch of large branches and subsidiaries in Hong Kong, Singapore, Cyprus, and Frankfurt. So these guys, as they claim here, have been working for a while here, okay? We have some advantages here. It's available 24/7. They have a support which is also available 24/7, and I tested that. I did message them and they replied to me almost instantly. It took maybe like no more than 5 minutes, so I decided to go ahead and jump into this, because, guys, look at this, okay? 6%. You can even see I'm the last depositor here, so you see what I'm talking about. 5k, calculate total return 6600 in just 22 days, okay? So this is pretty crazy. The withdrawals are instant as well. You can see people withdrawing here and their nicknames even, and this is day one. As you can see, 100k in, 3k out, so far they are keeping a good balance. They have nice referrals, but all of that in just a second, okay? So first of all, let's jump into the account. So let's go, and as you can see, this is my account here. And basically, guys, right here you can see all the payment balances and all of that, but at the end of the day, this is what matters. Account statistics, total balance currently $0, but if you follow me on Telegram, which I recommend you to go ahead and do so, it's at Alexandrus here. I will be posting withdrawal proof on the platform, so follow me there and you will see whether it's paying, right? I will be posting this on my Telegram. 5,000 is active deposit here, but I'm gonna send just like another 300 to show you how to depot, basically. But yeah, in order to make this deposit, you go to make deposit, you click this little button here, and then what you have to do is choose your plan. So I'm gonna do 300, that's because it's 6% a day. So I'm not gonna, you know, send another 30 or 100. I might as well do 300 because it's day one. So it should run for a while here. So yeah, you have 4% daily from $30, then 5% from 100, and 300 for 6%, which is really small minimum, to be totally honest. So we'll do the 300, and then you need to choose the currency. So in my case, this is gonna be BEP20 Tether, and as you can see, they accept all of these cryptos. So you can do Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Dash, Tron, Dogecoin, BUSD, Tether, for TRC, ERC, and BEP20. But the payments, you know, the withdrawals are only in this. That's how they keep it to me it's alright, because you know BNB has small fees, so it's good if you think about it, right? Gotta be happy with that. So let this load. My internet is kinda slow today, so it's not the website fault, but rather my internet. So yeah, let's not blame them. And as you can see, it's generating. Pretty simple deposit page, but yeah, they keep it simple, they keep it user friendly, I like it. So what we have here is 6% daily profits for 22 days, includes the principal. And now we have the status of waiting for payment, we have our QR code, and we have this. So basically I will copy this and go into my wallet right now, which you probably won't be able to see. But yeah, I hit the send right now, paste the address, switch to USDT, 300 USDT, I hit next. And now I need to confirm it. Since I'm sending this from MetaMask, you will be able to see the notification here. Just like that, it has been confirmed. So we can view it on BSC scan. Actually, let me pull up the BSC scan for you. Will I be able to see it here? Okay, give me just 1 second, guys. Okay, so I have the BSC scan right here. As you can see, 300 BSC USDT to the same address as right there, 86A. So it should be here in the wallet in just a moment. Let's see if it hits. But it should. Oh, it's already there. As you can see, active deposits 5,300. So pretty fast, you know. If you go to my deposits, you can go ahead and see that both of these are live. Okay, and this one was done 20 minutes before recording the video. I know I'm crazy, guys, but I do it for you. Okay, you already know your boy does it. Okay, so let's get back to the dashboard. Once we have this and once we have those plans discussed, I guess we can jump into the referrals, and we will do that. They also have this, by the way. This is some kind of registration certificate. I actually found it. If you go to the main page, if you scroll down, they have this document section here, legal. You have terms and conditions, white papers, articles of association, and this registration. I'm gonna be bloody honest with you, it's in Chinese, so you know it's hard to me to really understand it, but it looks like they are registered here. I believe it's Hong Kong, isn't it? Yeah, as you can see, address Hong Kong, this is their office, I think. So yeah, there is some kind of registration here. Alright, that's good to see. But what I wanted to talk about more is the white paper which they have here that contains a lot of cool information. So first of all, we have this background and introduction where they talk about their growth, basically, how they were founded in London, then New York office established, how much assets they have under management, and what kind of branches they have opened. And then they talk about investing a little bit and about the crypto market as well, some short story about Bitcoin. 24/7 online trading, shaping the market landscape with it. Online trading platforms empower investors to engage in real-time buying and selling around the clock, eliminating geographical and temporal barriers. Alright, GoldsTrade platform. GoldsTrade journey began in 2016, driven by a vision to redefine investment engagement. Platform embodies the culmination of this vision, providing a comprehensive hub for investors of all levels. We have the features, security and convenience. Obviously they have two-factor and they have a bunch of other things that you can secure your account with. As you can see, IP address sensitivity, browser change, so this basically will not allow anybody else to log in. Two-factor is fine because that's what you need the most, in my honest opinion. So if you don't have two-factor, go ahead, do it, because you keep your money here, you want it to be safe, obviously, right? Right. Asset safety, profitability, and mobile app that they are working on. You have those plans that we basically discussed already. This one being the most profitable one from just $300, 132 total return. There are no limits of number of active plans running concurrently, and what I like is the note that they have here that trading involves inherent risks and it can't always be guaranteed. They have referral structure. They have really good referral bonus, by the way. But yeah, level 1 just 4%, level 2 2%, 3 is 1%, and then level 4 and level 5 is just 0.5%. So this could ensure bigger reliability of platform and sustainability, because they don't pump that much money into referrals. Okay, so that's good. I'm really, with that, to be honest. And then you have rank bonuses, which kind of compensate for it, because if you get a total team volume of 10,000 USD, with just 10 minimum direct referrals, you get one-time bonus of 1000, then 40k, 15 referrals, 2500, 75k and 20 referrals, 45. Then you have 100k, 25 referrals is enough, 7000, 10,000, 25,000 being the biggest bonus. So if someone can hit this one, then wow, congratulations, you know. You have the workflow here, accepted payments. They accept almost everything. They want to launch their own coin, pretty ambitious as well. You have some benefits about it, so that's good. Yeah, some disclaimers as well, good to see that. Yeah, the transparency is always appreciated. So yeah, that would be it, I think, but one more thing actually is the exchange that is inbuilt here, so that's good. So if you have some kind of, you know, money in, I would say, like whatever, if you want to swap from like Tron or something to Other, then you can go ahead and do it, because, well, as I said, the withdrawals are only in USDT BEP20, so they have inbuilt exchange. That's really good. So yeah, for other deposited assets it's available, but yeah, withdrawals are in BEP20, saying that again just so you get it. Refer and earn, that's where you'll be able to see your referral link. Security, that's where you can bind your two-factor authentication and enable those other security measures as well. Withdraw is obviously the withdraw. As I said, you will see the proof on the Telegram channel. And then what else do we have here? I'm thinking what else. I think that will be actually it. The Telegram as well, guys. If you want to stay updated with all the news, then you should definitely go ahead and follow them on Telegram. It's at GoldsTrade, so that's their Telegram. And then they are brand new, as I said. As you can see, we are live for investment. They have posted it just recently, October 2016. October 16th, I mean, not 2016. So yeah, this is 1 day old, literally, guys, day one platform for you. We'll see how long it can go. I hope that it can be a long-term play here. Would love it to be. I think, you know, I'm hoping for the ROI here and some profit, obviously. We'll see how it goes, guys. Let me know in the comment section what you think about them. Let me know in the comment section how do you think this one will do. And if you are jumping in or you are skipping this one. I always like to read your opinions and I always appreciate them. So yeah, that's it from me for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed, and see you guys in the next videos coming out soon.